Today was January 26th, 2020. 24 hours before, the Bryant, Altobelli, Mauser, and additional families were whole. Today was the day of the big helicopter crash, where families were suddenly made unwhole. Sudden death is just... there are no words to describe how much damage they do. I lost my father suddenly, and it just feels like the floor is taken from underneath you. A lot of what happened today, the helicopter crash, is still being processed by a lot of people. Just outside observers, people close to the crash, family members, you name it. It's just stunning in the worst possible way. And the only thing we can really do from this point is just value our lives and the lives of our loved ones more. And appreciate these days that we have right now. It sounds trite, but it's important. And it's never unimportant. It's always important. So, hope your tomorrow is better and good. Talk to you tomorrow.